So here I am at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Bessie. Bessie, it's very nice to meet you. So Bessie, can you introduce me to your company?
So the company's name is Ming Ying Toys Co. Limited.
Okay,
and we have been engaged in toy industry for more than 2 decades.
Wow, okay, and so where is the factory located?
It's located in Shantou City.
Okay, and so where are the main markets that you export to?
Our market covers America, Europe, Asia, and Middle East.
So you have a big wide range of markets across the world. Okay, that's very cool to see. So what are the certificates that you have for your, because all we know is that there is like a high priority on safety with products like this. So what is the certificates that your factory has?
Our product is guaranteed by ASTM EN71, CPC, and CE.
Okay.
And our factory is certified with ISO 9001.
Okay. And so it's very important to have the safety, and you definitely got that part down. So now we have to talk about the fun part. So what is the new product that you're going to be introducing into the market in 2026?
The new product we are going to launch in 2026 here. Honda Mini Cup motorcycle.
Wow, okay, so you can already see that these are very detailed and very intricate designs. They're almost replicas, right?
Yes, one-to-one replication.
One-to-one replicas, and like officially licensed and branded with Honda.
Yes, here you can see there's a Honda logos at the front and CC110 labels at the body.
And I'm assuming that these accessories are not just for show, it's very customizable and interactive. You can do like in-depth customization with the baskets on the back of these as well. And
yes, and you can feel the tank.
Yes. And it has full like sounds as well. It has an actually on switch here that I saw, and it has an electrical thing. You can turn it here, and you can also turn it on, rev the engine, and the wheels will also turn. Yes. There's a beep as well. It's very immersive and very lifelike for a child to interact with and role play with as a game. And so you have to show me now, because I'm very excited already. What is your best selling product so far?
It's a pullback racing car.
Oh wow!
It's over here.
There's the simulation pullback racing car, and you have different ones. So you have the simulation scale buses and a motorbike as well.
Yes.
And so these are like very lifelike to real like vehicles that exist. Like they're so detailed, but also even though they're so small, they can pull back and it will go forward like this. Sorry, it's too close to the edge, but it will pull back and it will go forward, and it's everything. And it's very cool. And yeah, you have all these different designs available. You have these ones with the visors as well. And so these are very popular, and they're also made of alloy and resistant.
Yes.
As you can see, I dropped it as well, and there's no dent on it. So if I can do it, everyone can as well. So it's very cool. So I'm very excited to hear more information about these products. Where can I contact your company?
If you want to contact us, you can write in with wei@mingtoys.com, or you can scan the QR code, add us on WeChat.
Okay, so there you are. That's the information all there on the card. You have the email and WeChat QR code. I'm blocking my finger, and you also have the contact numbers and QQ account.